I gotta get to the gym, but I'm not looking like this. We'll do a makeup beat together for the gym.
I just wanna show you off. I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
Jump into this workout beat. First, I'm going in with this microblading pen, brow pen by Salon Perfect. It's gonna keep those brows on all through your workout and then some, maybe until the next day. And I'm just going to be giving myself a natural brow with not too much flakiness going on, not too much shape, just filling in my sparseness. Then I'm going in with 2 primers. I'm not going to be using foundation, but I want my skin to look amazing nonetheless. So I'm mixing them both together, Makeup Forever and Becca Illuminating Primer, putting it all over my skin with my Morphe brush. And then I'm going in with this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just to do some spot correcting. And since we laid that primer, it's going to stay on all day. Then I'm going in with the Makeup Forever HD powder. I don't want to look powdery. I want to look more like dewy and glowy. So I'm going to just buff that over where I laid the concealer. Then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape for under my eyes. I normally wouldn't wear concealer to the gym, but I know you ladies probably want to. So I'm going to put some under my eyebrows. I know this won't crease, so it's the perfect concealer if you are going to the gym to give me some brightening under the under eye. So I'm going to tap it in with my fingers as well as a brush. That way there definitely is no sign of concealer. Then I'm going to use my foundation brush, the Y6 from Morphe, just to make sure there's no lines. Then one more time with my fingers. And then I'm going to pat that Makeup Forever HD powder on my under eyes so there's no creasing, down my nose, in all my lines. That way I won't have lines while I'm working out. Then I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay Primer Potion and buff it in to my eyelid. This is going to make sure our eyeshadow stays on even if we sweat our asses off, okay? And I'm just gonna buff that on my eyelid, make sure there's no lines from that, use my fingers to double check that there's no lines. Then I'm gonna go into this Urban Decay Beauty From Within palette. I got this from eBay. So the first color I'm going in with my crease in that Beauty From Within palette is the color Smog. I am going as my transition color. Yes, it's a bit on the metallic side, but it's perfect for the crease, especially for the look we're going for. Then I'm just going to buff that in on both sides. Then I'm going to take this small brush that came with the palette and go into the color Oil Slick just to give my crease more definition. It's like a gray, smoky black, but I'm gonna really buff it out because I really don't want to look like I'm wearing too much makeup, but I don't want it to be super natural either. I want to get some attention. Then I'm going in with the color Maui Wowie on my lid with my fingers. Then I'm gonna take my Real Techniques blending brush and just buff that out so it all looks seamless. Then I am going to take my Morphe E36 pencil brush and I am going in with Polyester Bride. The entire reason why I bought the palette. I only purchased this palette for Polyester Bride because it gives such a banging brow bone highlight and inner tear duct highlight. So I'm just going to pencil that in and I will be buffing it out with my fingers. Then I'm going to spray my brush and on my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Oil Slick first and buff that down on my lower lash line. Then on top of it, I'm going to go in with Smog just to really make it look perfect. That's the same color we used on top. Then I am going to just blend that out. This pencil brush from Morphe is the bomb, y'all. You need to get this. If you get any brush, it's this. Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I love that this bronzer is natural, but also it is buildable, so my tan skin, and I'm just going to put that on my contour line. Then I'm going in with the Cover FX Custom Enhancing Drops. I want to have that dewy, wet look like I've been at the gym all day, but I'm going to look like glowy and amazing, and you can too. You got to get your hands on this stuff. I got this as a free sample, so hello, Sephora. I'm going to just buff that in with my beauty blender, put it down the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and you won't have any powder on your face. That's the best part. You don't want to have powder on your face at the gym. Gross. Then I'm going in with the Wet Set by Kylie Jenner just to amp it up a bit because I'm oh so extra. And I'm going into that bottom shade, and I'm the golden shade, and it's called Sweet Dreams, and I'm putting it everywhere that I laid that Cover FX just to umph it up a bit, and it'll give me a lot of beautiful natural sparkle in the sunlight. Then I'm going in with this Superhero by IT Cosmetics mascara. I don't care if it's not waterproof, it will not budge. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay number 65 Seductress. It's going to stay on through the workout. Maybe when you go get a bite to eat with your friends, you will love it. Then I'm spraying with my Bedesco spray because I ran out of Urban Decay Chill Out, and I am good to go. Let's go get this workout on, y'all. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you at the gym, y'all. Peace. Work it. You work it, guys. You guys are the bomb. I love you guys to death. See you in my next video. Peace.